Welcome to the Space Station. I'm Sean Duras. With us, we got Space Station Gaming lead creative, Tall Chicken, and social media strategist, Parker. And we're gonna be talking about Adobe Stock and how we use it in our esports organization to get stuff done.
Probably the biggest use of stock footage is, I would say, our thumbnails. Now, thumbnails are pretty important. You need to have something that catches your eye, something that's really attention grabbing.
Drives curiosity, like, what is gonna happen? I need to click this and find out.
Exactly.
The question is, where do you find a bunch of curious, random, weird stuff for thumbnails? Adobe Stock.
That's right. You could search anything on there, and I mean anything, and you will find
true.
it on Adobe Stock.
A ghost,
Pictures,
lighting,
videos.
fireworks.
Yeah.
On there, probably. Asterisk by that, I'm not sure, but probably. You could find a ghost and
Most
fireworks,
likely,
combine
yes.
them, and that's the thumbnail. People are like, wait, is that a real ghost? And is it lighting fireworks?
There's one image that you can find. You take like 15 and you put them together, and then you have this masterpiece.
When building any sort of content, thumbnail, whatever it is, don't overthink it and be like, what does this all have to look like? Actually build it piece by piece. So it's like, background, this is what I want, here's the focal point. Now I need something weird to draw attention here, add bubbles, add lasers, whatever. You find all the little add-ons, keep building it up, and that's art, piece by piece. Another thing, social media strategy, what are we looking at?
You got like Twitter banners, headers, just profile pictures in general.
Yep.
Anything like that. And for that, it's more like a professional approach, I guess, like a pleasing aesthetic and like Adobe Stock. All of that as well. And
They have like templates and stuff too. That
Yes.
that you can like ride off of.
That is something that is really good. Intros, outros, take a little break, BRB 50 minutes, whatever. They have templates that are actual videos that can play. So our Space Station Gaming outro, we have the helmet that flows, but we needed stars in the background, or if you want a rocket ship trailing off or an alien that pops up or whatever, Adobe Stock.
When we're building like highlight reels and stuff for a game that we're playing or something, a lot of the times, those highlight reels are full of like a bunch of goofy pop-ups and stuff.
Gotta keep it entertaining and exciting,
like,
a little
memey.
memey.
There's like a green screen of a guy like clapping, and it's just like a simple guy just clapping. You have him pop up somewhere. It's just funny and goofy, and you just throw it in.
It's for content. That's what Adobe Stock's for. Thank you guys for watching this video about Adobe Stock used in social media in the gaming space. This is Space Station Gaming. See you guys next video. Bye.